Hello, this is an application in .NET Core. Let's go look at .NET Core 6.2. That is the latest working framework. It uses JavaScript, jQuery, Datatables. It is in It uses utilities for session state for shopping carts. It is in model view control environment, where you can see the model view and control environment. The application uses dependency injection for its connection. Okay, now let's go and run the application. So it's already running, so we don't have to wait. So first, this is about membership to a club organization, to like golf club. They have a logo here. Now in this pull down, there's like 500 clubs here. Each club has members. Now instead of scrolling and looking for what club you're looking for, you can just type in here spring. So now see, the spring is like in the middle here, and then at the beginning here, and then Springfield, and then it filters by that. So if I say wood, then anything that has wood in it is filtered out. It doesn't even have to be at the beginning of it. It could be at the end of it. And if I put false, then everything that has false in it is in there. So I can type in the name. And just get that club. Then when I go next, it will run and get all the members of that club. This is called Datatable. It is based in JavaScript. It has the ability to sort. You can see sort first name, and it is the ability to page. You can go to the next page, or I can display 10 pages. I can display all of them, all of the members here. See, it's in one page here, and then I can display. If I want to display 25, then there are more or less than. Then if I display 10, then there is going to be paging that is in here. Now, if let's go and display 10 of them here. Okay. This has checkboxes. If I select, I can select all of them at the same time. But we'll go back to that. Now we have these buttons here. If I want to export these members here, if I want to export all of them, and then click here and then print, and now look at the print, how it's going to look like. It's going to display the logo on the top, and it's going to display the members here, all the members here. So now this is coming from the JavaScript, the jQuery that we just mentioned. It's in here in my JavaScript. It is coming from this, where I am displaying the image here. When I'm clicking on the print, when I click in the print, it displays the image equivalent of JavaScript. This is the image of the JavaScript of that image that is being displayed here when I do print. So when I cancel here, then let's go look at the PDF. When I download to PDF, then that also is running this PDF HTML5 and the image equivalent of that logo. Let's look at the image. Look at that. It displays the image on the top, the name of the club, and the members. This is just a sample club I downloaded from the web. It's all fake. So anyways, these are the club members of this club. Now let me close this one. Now I can also export to Excel. If I export to Excel, of course, Excel is not going to have a image on the top, but I have the Excel spreadsheet right there. Okay, now how do I make a payment for these members? So if I want to pay for one individual, there is like a sweet alert that pops up right there, and then it adds in the shopping cart that shows up right here, and then I can pay for that. I can check out and make a payment. There is going to be a fee. Bank is going to charge me this fee, and then in the end I can just pay. Now let me go back again. Let me go back into this, and then if I want, I can pay for all of the membership and say all members have been added to my cart. Now all 17 are in my cart. I can see them here. So if I click here, this is okay. Look, it's Washington, New York. All this is just a sample data. Now I can make a change here. So if make a change the payment to $50, then save this. So this is being changed to 50 right there. I can remove this one from my shopping cart. Baldwin has been removed from my shopping cart now. If I go back here, Baldwin is in here. I cannot add these people because these people have unconfirmed payment. I can only pay the people that have not paid yet. Okay, now Baldwin is back here. Now let us start over and show you something else. And Spring is the one that has the sample data. Let's go here. Now if I want to select all of this, now if you go next page, all of them has been selected. As you see, this is not selected because there's no payment for that due. Disable this, turn off notification. Okay, now I can add all of them. So now let me go. I'm going to remove like a couple of them to show you. So I don't have to select exactly on that one to do that. I can select in here, and it will unselect that in any part of the row, the column that I can select and unselect. So now I have unselected 3 of them. I'm going to add the rest of them, then add selected ones. So all of them has been added except the 3. Let's look at the 3 that are remaining. These are 1, 2, 3 remaining that has not been added. Okay, so the payment information here, and then make a payment, and this is how you make a payment, and they will go to against any bank. Okay, now one more. Let's go back here and there. Let me add people that are not in this list. I want to add from I can search by I can search by any of these. Let's go here, call this okay, the search engine. Now I'm going to ask this, I'm gonna Louis Garner, Now Louis Gardner has been added to this club. Now if I go and search for Gardner, it's right there. So now I want to show you about the search engine. I can search by any part of, even if I type this one, you know, it filters that one. Any field, let me search by this one here. You see, it filters that. Any field in the table you can filter it with. And then one more thing, this one is also mobile friendly. Let me open this in a new, it's responsive, in a new table like that. Let's go here, open this, open it here. Now look at that. Let's see how it's going to look. And okay, it is okay. My table, look at that. My table. I don't have to scroll left and right. This is on my iPhone. This one is on Galaxy 9. This is on Note. This is how it's going to look like. Look, the menu. The menu on my Windows is like that, but the menu here is a pull-down menu, just like that. Pull-down menu. You know, this pull-down menu. It changes. It is it's responding to the size of the device. Now the table also it has an accordion. You can shrink or expand. Instead of scrolling to the left and to the right, you can shrink and expand. And let me go add this and then say this. Okay, no match. Okay, let's go by HI. There also here. Okay. Let's go back to the list here. And when I can select all, pay for all of them, then they are here. I can remove my shopping carts. It's responding. Even the image is responding. The image is in it on my Windows. It becomes smaller and it fits the page. And then I can edit this and change this back to $100. Save this. I can change, edit this. I can put a phone number here. Okay, just like that. And then save this. Before it did not have a number, but when I save this, then go back, I see that a number has been saved. Okay, now let us go and add. Okay, I cannot add these people because these are unconfirmed payment. Let this have a payment that has not been confirmed. So this is it. Now let me go start over. Now this one, this pull down menu is coming from, it's coming from in my view. Let's go to index and then let me show you. It's coming right from here. It's reiterating through the districts that are for each in the organization. They are going through the organization here. This is called data list. This is a data list that will display a data list. It comes with HTML5 and later. What else do you want to know? The buttons here. Okay, let's go. I think we should have also sample data. First one. These buttons on the top. All these tables are coming from the data table here. go find buttons. So these are the buttons that are here. The buttons are here to export to Excel, export CSV, HTML5, and more buttons here. I extended the button. This is the export buttons that are here, and then these two more buttons are coming from. Okay, there should be. Okay, let's go here. These are buttons. Extended buttons. Okay. Okay. And the sweet alert, like when I click this, that alert that pops up on the top here is coming from my custom script, and it's displaying this will close in all this custom script in the Ajax and JavaScript, but actually the message is sent from the controller. And see the name is being added, is returned as in JSON, and then it's being displayed when I click here. First and last name is again. We can actually bookmark this. Okay. So when you add, okay, let's see it here. Okay. Okay, there. I just stopped right there. This is where the first and last name is coming. As you can see, first name is Douglas and last name is blank ship has been successfully added. That's what it's going to be when I run this. And I just run this and come back. Douglas blank ship has been added successfully. So it is coming from the controller where it's displaying, and then it's adding it into the session shopping cart. And so that is how this is rolling. Thank you very much.